Hi everyone, my name is Mabel Gomez. I was born in Asunción, Paraguay. I live in Mexico with my husband, but a few months ago we came to my country to be close to my family. I love cats and cooking new foods. I love to know new cultures and to travel. I have been a professional stylist for 11 years. I was a pathway connect student. I want to get a degree in public health. My graduation is in winter 2025. My favorite quote is this: every day is a day of decision, and our decisions mark our destiny. I like this quote because it has depth to the quality of the decisions we make and the amount of time we have. I was volunteer in the Mexican Red Cross for 1 year. I learned a lot about the operation of an emergency room and how to work awareness projects for the prevention of traffic accidents. I would love to have enough experience in public health as this will allow me to better help others. I want to finish my public health degree. I love the idea of working as a health promoter. I think that health promotion is one of the essential functions of public health. Therefore, I would like to work to promote the empowerment of individuals and communities to modify social, environmental, and economic conditions to influence the personal and collective health. When I finish my degree, I hope to be part of the professionals that can achieve significant changes in relation to health in my community. I hope to gain the experience of learning about the health promotion skills used by a health educator because I believe that health promoters can be the primary influence in impacting health in communities. I hope to gain the necessary skills to be successful in my career as I want to strengthen the health in my community. I think it's important that everyone understands that public policies must be a priority to achieve a significant increase in life expectancy in communities. Thank you.